timeline. One of the important thing that we must know from customers ki what timeline they are looking for. Customers are at various stages in their property purchase journey. So you should understand where they are when they are coming to you. If you don't understand that, then you will do what 99% of other builders and developers, sales and marketing team is doing. What they do is, customer could be at any stage, they simply start following with them. And that rigorous follow-up, that aggressive follow-up makes your customers stop receiving phones, stop reading your emails, stop reading your WhatsApp, and they altogether stop receiving any kind of marketing message from you, because they are at a very different point. So once you understand the timeline on which they are walking in their property purchase journey, it becomes very easy for you and your team to follow up your customers.